Hi, Bella. Are you okay na?
Yes.
No more dengue?
No more.
Going out tomorrow na?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
How many months wala nagkita si mama ug si baby?
1 year, 11 months.
Wow. So you miss me so much.
Mm-hmm.
I miss you too, baby. Dili na ka biyaan ni mama. Mama will always be with you and you will always be with mama. So, homeschool muna until such time na ma-okay si mama where to stay. Kasi sige man mag-travel si mama. What you gonna do with your life? Why man nag-cry? Love you.
Hello. Basta yan ka airplane ha.
Dili ta mag-airplane?
Mm-hmm.
O dili man makasakay ato sa kinan sa airplane. So we're going to ride with ferries or boat.
Kaya marag mamatay ko sa kuwan airplane.
Ano man?
Yeah.
Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Love you, baby.